If you're having issues with adding a cart on your Apple Pay or on your Apple Wallet, I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can actually fix this. Now, the first way you can fix this, first off, I'm going to demonstrate. First off, I'm going to go to Wallet here. I'm going to tap on Add Cart, and it'll just buffer forever like this, right? With no option appearing. Now, there's a couple of ways you can fix this. First off, you can go ahead and go to your Wi-Fi here, and then you want to turn off Wi-Fi like this, and then you want to turn on data. And then if that doesn't work, turn off Wi-Fi, and then turn off data like this, right? See if it works. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna do a couple of troubleshooting steps. First off, you want to make sure you're on the latest version of iOS, iPad OS, Watch OS, Mac OS, or Vision OS, whichever one you're ever using, right? So you can check that from general, and then you can go to software update here, and then you'll see that this is the latest one. And right now I'm not on the latest one, but you can see this is the latest version that's available right now. Make sure you update to the latest version. And then you have to confirm as well that you have Face ID, Touch ID, Optic ID, or set a passcode on your device to actually do that. And then after you roll that, and then if that doesn't work, you can check a couple of things. First off, you can check if you're in a country and region that supports Apple Pay. If you support Apple Pay and you're in a country that supports Apple Pay, then you can go use that. But if your country is not listed here, then you won't be able to use Apple Pay. The next thing you can check as well is to check if your device is compatible with Apple Pay. You can see this is the compatible Apple Watch models, and there's also compatible Mac models. And then you can see that this is compatible iPad models, and then there's a couple of compatible iPhone models as well. But for the Apple models, it's just anything with Face ID or Touch ID except the iPhone 5s.